One of my favorite things, homemade pasta sauce. Lightly brown 5 cups of ground medium beef and 5 cups of ground pork. Add 3 bulbs of minced garlic and continue to simmer. 7 cups of diced tomatoes. Add 3 diced onions. 2½ cups Merlot red wine. Add a full can of Heinz tomato sauce, or tomato juice, tomato juice. 1.36 liter or 48 fluid ounces. Cup of butter. 1/3 cup of sugar. Add 3 tablespoons of garlic powder. 3 tablespoons of salt. 2 teaspoons of pepper. 5 bay leaves that you take out when your sauce is finished. Don't leave them in there. And 3 tablespoons of Italian seasoning. Mix and simmer. Simmer it on the stove for 2 hours. Simmer gently, stirring frequently every 10 to 15 minutes, and then you're finished. You have a great day.